In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how much space you have left in Dropbox. Knowing how much storage you've used is really important, especially if you rely on Dropbox for work, school, or personal backups. It helps you avoid surprises like failed uploads or sync errors when your account is almost full. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your remaining space and how to understand what you're seeing on the screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in, and you should land on your main Dropbox dashboard. This is the page where you see all your folders and files stored in the cloud. You can follow along on any computer, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or using a Chromebook, as long as you're in a web browser. Once you're on your Dropbox homepage, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might be your initials, a profile picture, or a small avatar. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with several account options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Manage Account and click on it. The wording may be very similar if Dropbox updates the interface, but it will clearly refer to managing your account or settings. Clicking this will take you to a separate page that focuses on your account details rather than your files. On the Manage Account page, you'll see different sections related to your subscription and usage. What you're looking for is the Personal Dropbox spacebar. This is usually a visual bar that shows how much storage you've used and how much you still have available. It often breaks down your usage. For example, showing how much space is taken up by regular files, shared content, or backups, depending on your plan. Take a moment to read the numbers next to the bar. You'll typically see something like X GB of Y GB used, which tells you exactly how close you are to your limit. If the bar is mostly filled, you know you're getting close to running out of space and might want to delete unneeded files, empty your deleted items, or consider upgrading your plan. And that's all you need to do to check how much space you have left in Dropbox.